Alright, Michelangelo, how are you feeling? It's good? Alright, so guys, this is our back. Look at this. What? Oh my god. How are you gonna clean this one, Michelangelo? Look at this. This is like a 10 to 12 inch. Like literally, look at this. Whew. Oh man. So you have to be ready for this storm. It was like literally a lot of people, everybody is getting ready to go outside. I mean, we are trying to have some fun time, but you're gonna see that like this is the snow, like literally you'll see that Charlie is coming. Go jump on, run. You have 5-10 minutes to play, otherwise
it's so deep.
It will be so hard. It'll be so hard.
It's not even going in my boot.
Go, go, go. That's why you have to cover your boot. You already fall? Go, go, go. So this is the snow, guys, and it's crazy. Like literally you can see that how crazy it is, you know. So kids are also having fun. ये भी अपना fun कर रहे हैं. Now I have to clean this one, and how we gonna clean I don't know. तो देखते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो snow. ये है हमारे यहाँ पे बच्चे. वाव, स्नो दिख रहा है. ऐसे पूरा एकदम, मतलब अगर 10-15 मिनट और कोई आदमी खड़ा हो जाए तो हाइपोथर्मिया हो जाएगा. तो इस तरह से पूरा तैयारी करके बाहर निकले हैं. तो आर्या भी आ रही है. तो डेफिनेटली आर्या, come on. And
hi.
My wife also says coming.
Hello. Say hello. Whoa, look at the snow.
Arya, the snow is bigger than you.
How many inches is it?
Hmm?
How many inches? 20?
It's like a 12 to 16 inches. I had a... Whew. Go ahead, guys.
Where you going?
This is the snow, and
Go that way.
look at this. No, put your hands inside. It's coming out.
Hands in.
You have to put your inside. What? Yeah, put it back.
Hi, Pinky.
Put it. Guys, so Michelangelo, he was his hand was hurting, and I'm wearing the gloves, try to go outside, and this is really
Hi, Pinky.
crazy.
What?
So
Pinky's on the phone.
no, she's not over the phone.
Oh, it's not?
No. Why do you think every time is a Pinky is over the phone?
Oh, I don't know. It felt like it was Pinky's energy.
Oh, okay. So, this is all the garbage can, guys. I can literally look at this. Oh my god. How are we gonna go this side? Whew. Oh. So ये है, ये देखो, ये है लग रहा है मेरा भी पैर ठंडा होने वाला है। ये स्टॉर्म आया हुआ है भाई लोग, देख लो देख लो। नेबर ने थोड़ा बहुत क्लीन कर दिया है, बट अगर ये पैर देखना है तो देखो, ये देखो। ये है, लाइट नहीं गया है, बट ये हाल है। ड्राइववे को क्लीन करना है और देख रहे हो अभी तो काम चल रहा था, कुछ दिन से रुका पड़ा है, तो ये हाल है इधर का। दिख ही रहा होगा। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर। स्टॉर्म का वार्निंग है यहाँ पे कि बाहर नहीं जाना है, मतलब जा सकते हो बट जाओगे कैसे, कार है, इतना स्नो है, आप ड्राइव भी नहीं कर पाओगे, पूरा कार ढका हुआ है, तो डेफिनेटली आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे यहाँ पे। माइकल एंजेलो, यू आर डन, गो इनसाइड।
Go in. Let's go. Get in.
थिंक यू आर डन। या
Done, let's go.
Charlie is having fun. Huh?
Go. Okay, walk. I gotcha. I gotcha.
Arya is
Gotcha.
having fun.
Here, Arjun, come get him. Big strong man.
You are done?
He's done.
You're done?
He's cold.
Come on. Give me your hand.
Come on, he needs insulated gloves.
Yes,
yours.
we have a lot,
No,
but
we don't.
yes, we had
We
a
have
red
two?
one, pink one. Momsy bought it all, but we cannot find it.
Those two ones are missing.
We had a stand up. Come on. You are done.
Say hi real quick, Michelangelo.
You are done. But no,
Michelangelo, say hello.
you are not done.
Hi, Grandma.
Thank you.
I think you are done. Yes. You wanna stay here?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on, Charlie?
I have to go in the car.
Isn't this amazing? Huh?
Yeah.
Michelangelo, your hand it will get cold again. Okay, stage also done.
He's done. Come on, go.
I'm not done.
Yeah, her face is all cherry red.
Yes,
It's enough.
It's
Come
enough.
get her. Come get her. Arjun.
enough, Michelangelo. It's enough.
It's enough.
It's enough.
Let's
Don't make drama.
go. Too cold.
It's enough.
Come on.
Chalo,
Let's go, Charlie. Let's go.
whoever start crying,
Come on.
time to go inside.
Time to go in. Time to go in. Well,
Arya, start crying. Arya, are you done? Yeah? Michelangelo, you done?
Yeah.
Yeah, play here. Don't go there. It's a lot of snow.
yeah.
Yeah, this is fun.
Okay, guys, look at this. This is the crazy snow. कम से कम 10 से 12 इंच है स्नो, ठीक है, 16 है। एंड आपको देखना है, लोग टिकटॉक पे मजाक कर रहे हैं कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला, कुछ स्नो नहीं होने वाला, कहाँ गया पेंसिल्वेनिया के स्नो। अभी स्नो कल रात तक, कल सुबह तक होने वाला है और ये हमें पता भी नहीं चल रहा है कहाँ से आना है, कहाँ से जाना है। तो आई हैव टू क्लीन दिस ऑल द स्नो जो है, आप देख लो, क्लीन करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। अभी भी स्नो हो ही रहा है, तो पूरा घर देखो ढक गया है। तो ये सीन है गाइस, यहाँ पे अमेरिका का जो पेंसिल्वेनिया स्टेट है, यहाँ पे न्यूयॉर्क से लेके सब चारों तरफ वार्निंग आई हुई है, कोई ड्राइव नहीं करेगा। रोड तो सॉल्ट डाल के क्लियर करते हैं सब, बट डेफिनेटली इट विल। ओह माय गॉड, देख रहे हो? I don't know if I can explain anything. एक मिनट guys. ताकि अपना कैमरा एक जगह सेटअप होगा। सेटअप होने के बाद थोड़ा से घुमा दिया जाए ताकि मैं भी इस कैमरे में आ जाऊं। ये देखो आ गया मैं कैमरे में। ये है स्नो। तो गाइस, वेलकम टू पेंसिल्वेनिया। आ जाओ अमेरिका में, आप लोग भी आ जाओ, देख लो। माइकल एंजेलो, what's going on? You okay? So, बेटा बेटी तो ठंडे में, ये देखो धीरे धीरे इनका सिस्टम खराब होते जा रहा है, you know? Not going to move anything. It's too much snow here.
Alright guys, that's enough. Come on.
Alright.
10 minutes, that's it. It's been 20 minutes already.
Wow.
Come on. Where's the shovel you put out? Don't lose it. You probably need the shovel.
Oh my god. It's a hard job. See, this is the shovel. I have to clear all the path. So maybe I'll start with the front. Come on, Arya. Come on. It's time to go. It's cold here. Stop crying.
Come on.
Michelangelo, come on. Let's go.
Come on. Michelangelo, Shirley, inside now.
Come on, let's go.
Inside now. Right now.
I have to wait. I have a camera on.